Rumor that Apple will be replacing the iPhone upgrade program with a new one called Apple Upgrade. This is officially announced by the company. It is a new leasing program provided by Klarna. Throughout it, you can get iPhones, Apple Watches, iPads, and Macs. Apple Upgrade is now available on Apple stores online in the Apple Store app and also Apple stores in the US. It offers 12 and 24-month leasing for iPhones and Apple Watches and a 24 and 36-month option for Macs and iPads. The iPhone 17e starts at $18 a month, iPhone 17 at $23 a month, and iPhone Air at $29 a month, and iPhone 17 Pro at $32 a month. iPad Mini will be yours at $12 a month, iPad Air at $16 a month, and iPad Pro will be at $25 a month. The Series 11 watches starts at $12 a month. The iPhone Watch Ultra 3 starts at $25 a month. You can get a MacBook Air for $25 a month and MacBook Pro from $39 a month. Apple promises you can apply for Apple Upgrade within minutes and receive quick approval. All applicants are subject to soft credit check that will not impact your credit score. At the end of the lease program, you can upgrade to the latest generation, purchase with a one-time payment or return it. You can also add AppleCare plan to protect your devices.